everybody. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to understand direct indirect speeches. As you know, this chapter is a vast one and very important. We shall take it slow. Today we are going to understand only assertive sentences. So without delay, let's dive into it. Direct speech. When we directly quote the actual words used by the speaker, it is called direct speech. For example, Ram said, comma within quote, I am busy today. So here the speaker is Ram and we are directly quoting the words exactly as the speaker had said without making any changes. Indirect speech. When we convey what the speaker said in our own words instead of using the actual words used by the speaker, it is called indirect or reported speech. For example, Ram said that he was busy that day. So in indirect speeches, we need to make the necessary changes as required. Now let's go through the rules of narration change. First, let's look into the changes in tense. Go through this chart carefully and mark the changes. Present tense changes into past tense. Present continuous changes into past continuous. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Past tense changes into past perfect. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Past perfect remains same. And in future, shall will changes into should or would. Sometimes in assertive sentences, tenses do not change. For example, if the speaker is speaking in present, look at the sentence carefully. Ram says, I am ill today. So here the verb is says and it is in present tense. So when we turn it into indirect speech, we have to write Ram says that he is ill today. So we did not change the tense, we kept it present. The only change that we made is in pronoun. The pronoun I changes into he. Let's check out a similar sentence. Jane says to me, you have made a mistake. We turn it into indirect by writing, Jane tells me that I have made a mistake. The only change that we made is in pronoun you. The tense in assertive sentence does not change if the speaker is speaking in future. Look at this sentence. He will say, I am busy now. So when we turn this sentence into indirect speech, we are going to keep the tense same. He will say that he is busy now. The only change that we made is in pronoun I, which changed into he. Let's check out a similar example. My mother will say, you are late for school. Answer. My mother will say that I am late for school. So we did not change the tense. We only changed the pronoun you into I. The tense again does not change when the speaker is stating a universal fact or a proverb. For example, Daniel said the earth is round. So here the statement the earth is round is universal. So it will remain same. Answer. Daniel said that the earth is round. Let's check out another sentence. My uncle said to me, time and tide waits for none. Answer. My uncle told me that time and tide waits for none. So we will keep the sentence intact. The tense again does not change if the speaker is stating a habitual fact. For example, Ravi said, I go for a walk every morning. So in this statement, the phrase every morning suggests that this is something that Ravi does regularly. So the answer is, Ravi said that he goes for a walk every morning. So we keep the tense same. Now let's quickly check out the changes in the time and place reference in the given chart. Here changes into there, today changes into that day, this morning into that morning, yesterday into the day before or the previous day, tomorrow changes into the next day or the following day, next week changes into the following week, next month changes into the following month, now changes into then, ago changes into before, thus changes into so, last night changes into the night before, this changes into that, these changes into those, hither changes into thither, hence changes into thence. Now let's check out few examples where tense, time and place reference change in indirect speech. Mani said to his friends, I am angry with my brother. Answer. Mani told his friends that he was angry with his brother. So here the tense is simple present. So it changes into past tense. And look at the other changes carefully. Said to changes into told. I changes into he. Am changes into was. And my changes into his. Mani said, I am playing chess now. Answer. Mani said that he was playing chess then. Here the tense is present continuous tense which changes into past continuous, and the other changes are I changes into he and now changes into them. Mani said, I have completed my work. Answer. Mani said that he had completed his work. Here the tense in direct speech is present perfect, so it changes into past perfect. The other changes are I changes into he and my into his. I said to my brother, I bought a pen for you. Answer. I told my brother that I had bought a pen for him. Here the tense is past, so it changes into past perfect. I remains same because the speaker is I, and the other changes, the pronoun you changes into him. He said, I was playing cricket yesterday. Answer. He said that he had been playing cricket the previous day. The tense is past continuous in direct speech, so it changes into past perfect continuous. I changes into he and yesterday changes into the previous day. Ravi said the movie had already started. Answer. Ravi said that the movie had already started. Here the tense is past perfect, so it remains same. I said I shall watch a movie tomorrow. Answer. I said that I would watch a movie the following day. Here the tense is future, so shall changes into would and tomorrow changes into the following day. Point to be noted, shall changes to should only if it is obligatory. For example, he said, within quotes, I shall obey my parents. Answer. He said that he should obey his parents. That brings us to the end of this video. Hope it was useful. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video very soon. Please like, share and subscribe to support this channel. Thank you so much.